Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. We're seeing gold having a 3-day bullish run at the moment with US data just coming in a little bit subdued. We've got retail sales data last week back in negative territory. So the fallout of the big strength on the dollar, which we've seen for the last couple of weeks, is starting to have a slight correction, and we're seeing this in the markets on the FX pairs as well. Pairs like the Aussie, the Kiwi really fighting back against the US dollar. So this is what we're looking at in the near term. So gold at the moment, like I said, holding its own above the 2000 level, back above that $20 to $30 push since we saw the decline last week. If we look on the daily chart, as you said, just starting to build a little bit more of a momentum now back into this territory where we saw this cluster roughly about the 2030, 2035 areas. This is where we're looking likely like gold is heading before it possibly consolidates one more time. If we look on the 4-hour chart, we're just seeing more of this pattern emerge. As I said, very, very choppy at the moment going into the impulse waves, as you can probably imagine. So we're having wave after wave, possibly having another one to the upside, as I said, back to this 2030, 2035 area before we see this consolidation possibly happening one more time. On the RSI, we are going into overbought territory, so this could mean that price action will start to wane before another move higher. So this is possibly what we're looking at in the near term. We're bouncing right off the 20-day moving average as well, which gives us the impetus that is having more of a bull rally than a slowdown at the moment. So with gold really started to charge, we're seeing now on the dollar a bit more of an opposite demand, and we're just seeing slightly subdued since the big bullish candle that we saw last week. So as I said, it's pretty much a V-shaped recovery to the downside for the DXY index. So we'll be looking to see the 104 psychological handle being held and then a slight bounce. But we'll just see how much of this bounce is going to happen in the near term as well, because we are slightly looking now, especially with this overbought area, that price action will keep on moving a bit lower. So we'll have to wait and see if that's going to have a significant bounce or not, or if we're going to have more of an upside bias for gold. We just want to look on silver as well, because for the last few weeks we've just been trading in between this $2 area from the $22 level up to the mid 23. At the moment we did have a break of that particular area, but now, as you can tell, we are starting to sink back down. So if we get another push higher, this will be good if we get a confirmation break, not just a few cents to the upside, but an actual confirmation higher, possibly towards $24. If that does not happen, then we are looking likely that silver will possibly start moving a bit lower, back down into this region to give the trend like it has been doing in the last couple of weeks as well. So overbought on the RSI, pretty much like the gold as well. So a metal market really moving in the same direction. However, we are just looking to see what the next opportunity is. So let us know what you're trading, because we are going to post this video as usual on our YouTube and Telegram channels. So feel free to like, subscribe and leave a comment, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So until tomorrow, have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.